Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and June 1st marked the 8th anniversary of the launch of FroKnowsPhoto.com. So for the last 8 years, I've been making YouTube videos that have helped thousands of people around the world to become better creatives and better photographers. And I want to thank each and every one of you who have watched any of my videos, commented, liked, shared, done anything. Now, in honor of the 8-year anniversary, I am doing a sale on all 4 of my educational video guides that are digital downloads. From now until Sunday, you can get 51% off each one of these guides when you use the code 8years. Now, the website that you can go to check out all 4 of the guides is FroKnowsPhoto.com/8years. From there, you can link out to each one of those guides to get a free preview. There's the FroKnowsPhoto Guide to Getting Out of Auto, the FroKnowsPhoto Guide to Flash Photography, the FroKnowsPhoto Guide to Shooting Video, and the FroKnowsPhoto Guide to editing video. All of these guides are great, and if you haven't been able to pick one up until this point, well, now here's a huge discount of 51% off with the code 8years when you use that at checkout. So go ahead and take advantage of that offer because it will end on Sunday, and Kitty would like you to go ahead and purchase one of those, or 2, or 3, or 4. But again, thank you guys very much from the bottom of my heart for all of your support over the past 8 years. Here's a sale. Go ahead and take advantage of it if you've been waiting for it. And that's it, guys. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.